Another area that we look for, so my team will look for when we screen candidates, we look at their resume, we might do a few questions over LinkedIn or email, and then certainly interviewing. Another area that we are looking for is high EQ. So EQ stands for emotional quotient. So you've heard of IQ, right? Intellectual quotient, right? You're like measuring how smart you are. Well, there are a lot of companies that say, I don't just need a smart person. I need someone who can relate to people, who's a good leader, who has energy, who can influence other people. Those are all qualities within EQ, right? It's funny because I have one brother and I always said, he's the smart one. He's the smart one. I mean, like, okay, he was in all the honor classes growing up. Okay, he did in high school, it was like all the college level classes, but he was still in high school, right? He went to like, the best schools and all that kind of stuff. And I was like a good student, but I wasn't, hitting it out of the park in college classes, right? But one of the things that I think really helped me and took him a long time to learn was the EQ part, relating to people, because you have to be able to relate to people in jobs, and it doesn't matter what level you're at. So it could be, how you communicate with people, how you remaining calm under pressure. I probably could work on some of that. How you work as a team, right? Mm-hmm. That is definitely something that our recruiters are looking for. And so one of the things that we do in interviews to get an idea of whether or not they have high EQ, asking questions that are around those areas that I mentioned.